Welcome to Kim's Creations and to a big mess on my table. And the reason why is I am giving another go at the stained glass effect, and I thought I would bring you along for my journey. So I have got a rainbow of different colors. They're all from Mont Marte with the exception of this white, which is Artist Loft Acrylic Flow White, which is also on the base. The rest of these colors, as I just said, Mont Marte. So I've got cerulean blue, emerald, bright yellow, bright red, and orange. All of these colors have silicone in them. And I am going to use this little doohickey, put it in the center. This was part of that splash and color kit that I got and ordered. And it should create this beautiful little flower in the bottom. So let's check this out. Yellow. Orange. Red. I'm just going to dip my finger in there and get that out. Hopefully that'll get covered. I'm going to add a little white in here. That might create some pink, but that's life. Green. Let that come down a little bit. Oh, look at that. Love it. And blue. I'm going to put another little layer of white in here. I'm going to let that go down and see what we get. I'd like to do one more layer. Yellow. Orange. Oh, I'm liking the cells coming out already. Red. A little more white. I think the white just kind of helps to give definition, a little contrast in color. Not that there's not already a lot of contrast in color here. But I think it helps to edge the cells that come up and hopefully give them a really pretty look. And I know that I already have more paint than I need. But better more than not enough, right? I'm gonna move my cups out of the way. Look at that. I'm feeling pretty positive about this one. Okay. I'm going to just torch this a little bit as it's coming out. Remember, there's silicone in these paints. That's going to react with the water that's in the paint. I added the treadmill silicone. And then you get that mixture of the oil and the water. I'm heating up the paint, so the paint is going to react with that silicone and heating up, and should get all kinds of amazing looking cells out of this. That'll give the stained glass look. That is the idea at any rate. The paint on my canvas is much thinner than the paint that I poured into the cups, and that's just going to hopefully help it flow over the canvas more easily. And oh, there's colors in the cups there. Can you guys see that? I'm gonna bring you down so you can see close up what I'm seeing in that cup. Look how pretty, look at all those cells, yay. And while we're here, we can look at these. Very pretty. Okay, let's get you back up. Hooked back in. All right. Okay, I'm going to lift this up and see what we get on the bottom. Ooh, very pretty. I love that. Got to get my glove tip up to the center. I'm just going to put my finger in there. Just kind of give it a nicer look. There. Okay. Excuse me for clearing my throat. I'm going to torch again. Just moving around, heating up the paint. Not trying to cook the paint though. Just heat it up. Oh, I think this is going to be a good one. Okay, I wonder if my torch is dying. All right, I can see I'm a little bit off center, so I'm just going to tip this. Try and get my flower a little more centered. Okay, let's put this back down. Now we get to spin. All right, let's do this. Give it a gentle spin. Spin it the other way. Oh, yeah. Look at this. So cool. I'm gonna just put my finger in there to help that out. The paint's just drying on the surface a little bit, so. There, it's gone over on that side and this side. It's going over on all sides. The big question is, do I want to have negative space on this or spin it all out? I'm gonna add a little bit more here. Looks like it needed a little help there. And some here. All right, maybe a little bit here too. It's just where the canvas is a little bit dry. All right. I don't know. If I leave the edges, the white on there, I think I will. I think I will because I like the, kind of gives it a circular look even though I'm doing this on a square canvas. So I think I'm going to stop spinning it there and I'm just getting a little bit of that white paint so that this dries evenly. The corners and the edges always seem to just dry very quickly. All right, I'll fix the rest of that later, but I am loving this. All right, let's bring you guys down for a final view here. Check it out. Oh, Very excited, very, very excited about this. Okay, I'm gonna come around to the other side here. All right, let's look at the colors and look at the cells that have formed in there. My center. Yeah, I am absolutely over the moon with this piece. It is definitely what I was going for. So extremely happy about this. I love how bright and cheerful it is. Yeah. All right. Well, I think I'm going to leave it here. Thank you all for joining me, and I hope you have a great day. If you like what you have seen, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get alerted the next time I put up a video. And yeah, we'll catch you on the next pour. Bye for now.